Then the machine operator can use the keypad on the MUR-Box to enter stop codes. And on the right side we have keypad, MUR terminal, web terminal, which is 3 different ways you can enter stop codes. But once entered, they have the same effect in the MUR system. So let's jump over to the demo. Here we have on the right side the MUR-Box that I'm going to use in today's training session. And right now it's getting signal from an optical sensor. And this one you see here with a laser beam. And when it's broken, we get the run signal from the machine. And that way you can see here on the left side you see MUR terminal with the live status row. You see the machine status right now is stopped on unknown stop. And at this time we can enter stop codes. Standard way is to use the keypad and enter number plus enter. So for example, we're starting a cleaning right now. We're going to use stop code 6. And then I can enter stop code 6, enter on the keypad, either the physical keypad or in MUR terminal. And then we can see here we have the whole stop code encoded, like this. The important part about entering stop codes is you don't have to do it while the machine is standing still, like I did just now. You can also use enter stop codes afterwards. So while the machine is running now, we can correct this stop code. We were missing material. I choose number 2 and enter. And this way we have changed the stop code here. These are the normal ways to enter stop codes while it's happening. But at the end of the day, you can go back in the timeline and see what's happened before. And here you can find a few stops we didn't code previously. The simple step to change this is click one of stop codes, enter stop code and change selected. And this has to be done in the MUR terminal where you can see scroll back in time. Here we have somewhat new feature. Most of you might not be aware of it, and if you don't have it on your system, you will need an upgrade, which is included for all customers. And we want to change all these stop codes in one go. I will select the whole interval of stop codes. I select the stop code and I choose change selection. Now I get a drop down where I want to select the whole selection, only stops. And when I select only stops, we can see that only the stops are have a changed stop codes and the runtime is preserved. And so these are the basic stop codes features we have in the MUR system. And these are all manual stop codes. Once we're going to automatic stop codes, these keypad entries are done by the MUR-Box itself without an operator pressing any keys. The automatic stop codes are scripted, meaning we can put some logic into when and how they are applied. They can be based on one or many different inputs, and it can also be based on other information, for example, time of day. One example is we have a customer who have a special stop code when the machine is when the factory is shut down, and it applies when the machine stops, but only after the end of the shift. So that way the machine operator doesn't have to remember to enter that stop code. It's done by the MUR-Box automatically. Some information about MUR-Box and entering stop codes. Most of you have MUR-Box version 2.0 or 3.0, and with those MUR-Boxes you can connect several machines to one single MUR-Box using these 4 or 6 inputs. And then you can connect several keypads using a USB hub. And that way you can have easy access to entering stopcodes without being close to the MUR-Box. But this only works for the first machine, we call machine A here. With the new MUR-Box 4.0, you can also connect several machines the same way, but here you can connect additional keypads for the extra machines. And we can configure which keypad reports for which machine.